Norway has the world's highest occurrence of the most dangerous type of skin cancer, malignant melanoma. And as in most Western countries, the lifetime risk of getting this disease is 2.5%. The good news is that by watching this film clip, you reduce your risk to end up in this category. You will learn a quick and easy 3-step way to detect melanoma on yourself and your loved ones. The clue is to know your moles and detect the melanoma. It is completely normal to develop between 10 and 50 moles from birth until we are around 45 years old. All grown-ups should get to know their moles, where they are, and how they look. For those areas that you can't see for yourself, get help from those around you. You can also always ask for help from your doctor. So here are the 3 steps. Step 1. Look for the one mole that doesn't look like the others you have. Most people have between 2 and 5 different types of moles that are similar in color and shape. If you are dark in complexion, you will normally have darker moles, while if you are light-skinned, you will normally have lighter or more red moles. You should look for the mole that looks like it does not belong in the same family as all your others, the ugly duckling. Step 2. Look for mole-like lesions with a black appearance, or those that consist of more than 2 color shades. Moles can be flat, ugly, or hairy without being melanoma. Step 3. The most important sign of melanoma is rapid change in color or shape. Moles that don't grow over a 2 to 4 month period are moles, not melanoma. By using this 3-step method, you may find melanoma and so avoid this life-threatening disease. If you're ever in doubt about what you find, it is very important that you contact your doctor. Good luck, and keep an eye on your skin.